Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to watch Netflix with a VPN on your iPhone. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is download a VPN to our iPhone. Let's open the App Store. Now, search for a VPN of your choice. For this video, I'm going to search for IPVanish VPN. Once you've searched for IPVanish, it should be the top result. Just tap the Get button, or in my case, it has a cloud icon because I've downloaded it before. Once it's downloaded, click Open. When you open IPVanish for the first time, you'll see this privacy screen. Click on Login at the bottom. Go ahead and enter your login details and sign in. Don't have an IPVanish account? Click the link in the description or the pinned comment below for an exclusive discount. Once signed in, you'll see the privacy screen again. Select an option, and you'll be prompted to begin the tutorial. For this video, I'm going to skip it. Click Finish. Now you'll be prompted to create a VPN configuration. Tap Allow. You'll need to enter your iPhone passcode. After that, you'll be taken back to the VPN app, ready to use. So for this example, I want to unlock the US version of Netflix, as I'm currently in the UK. Click on Locations at the bottom. Select a country. I'm searching for the United States. Found it? Click on it, then click Connect. After a few seconds, you're connected to the US server. You can now exit the IPVanish app. Open the Netflix application. Sign into your account. After signing in and selecting your profile, you can watch the US version of Netflix as usual. See? It says Top 10 TV programs in the US today. Just select what you want to watch and enjoy. And that's it. Remember to click the link in the description or pinned comment for that exclusive IPVanish discount. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Fix Zone content. Thanks for watching.